Welcome to my world, a small, quiet world tucked away among the mountains. Here, I just want to be at peace, to let go of anger, pressure, and all the noise outside. All I need to do is sit still and listen to the sound of water flowing between the rocks, the birds calling softly from the trees, and the tender breath of the forest around me. This is where I come to find myself again, where worries melt away with the wind, and my heart finally becomes soft and calm. Today, I wanted to experience making Meadow, handcrafted glass noodles made from arrowroot. It looked simple at first, but every step required patience and care, from filtering the roots, drying the starch under the sun, to shaping those clear, delicate strands by hand. I suddenly thought, maybe life is just like these noodles. We have to go through the heat, the waiting, and countless moments of being refined before we can become this clear and this strong. I then cooked a humble plate of vegetarian stir-fried noodles, and in the quietness of the mountains, even that simple meal felt truly special. Today's story isn't just about a trip, it's also about me. There are days when I feel lonely, unlucky even. This week, heavy rain came. I had to wade through flood water to get to work. It was tiring, yet somehow funny. But then, seeing others surrounded by water, cut off from the world, without enough food or clean water, I realized how fortunate I still am. Nature never gets angry for no reason. It only mirrors the way we treat it. We cut down forests, pollute rivers, and burn without thinking. And when it strikes back, perhaps it's just telling us that it's in pain, just like humans. I once helped others, only to be treated like a fool. But life always balances itself. There are people who hurt us, and there are people who heal us. Now, I no longer feel truly alone, because I know, somewhere out there are kind souls walking this journey with me, just like you, listening right now. Thank you for being here, for sharing these quiet moments with me. I may be alone, but I am not lonely. I'm simply learning how to be peaceful within solitude, and how to slow down enough to see the little things that still make life beautiful.